Greetings everyone, Brett here with Hammerhead Model Making, and on today's 5-minute review we're going to be looking at the M1 Abrams X by Amusing Hobby. Now I'd like to acknowledge this review kit was provided to me by MRS Hobby Shop, and I'm very grateful for them. You can check out their information in the description down below. So I hadn't heard this kit, I haven't even heard of a future development of the M1 Abrams tank. So this was quite interesting to be able to take a look at this thing. Starting out with the lower hull, we got a one-piece lower hull, very nicely cast. Lots of great detail in there, including detail on the bottom of the hull as well. Turret comes in two parts, and it is very nice. Not what I was expecting for an M1 turret. Doesn't look anything like it, but one of the nice things is you get a very nice subtle texture on there for the no-slip areas. And at least from, just looking in the box, it looks really nice. Obviously, I don't know how it would take paint. Same thing on the upper hull. We have that nice texture on there. And very nice details, very sharp, crisp details on here, very defined, and yeah, I think it looks really, really good. The side skirts as well look really nice, and it looks like they've been utilizing a lot of slide mold technology in this, as you're getting very nice detail on multiple sides of parts. Here you can see road wheels and various little bits. You actually get 4 of these frames. So definitely lots of repeats here, but it makes sense. These vehicles have many, many road wheels. You get a match pair here with the drive sprockets and other details. Again, all the small details look really, really nice. You get lots of various hull details here. You also get the barrel for what I believe is a 20mm autocannon. I could be wrong there. Like I said, I don't know much about this vehicle. The blast tube for the coax gun, and all using slide molding there. So lots of great details packed into here. It does come standard with a turned aluminum main barrel. So that's looking really nice. Definitely one of those things out of the box that I like to see. This is another turned brass barrel. Not quite sure what it's for, but there it is. You get a lot of clear parts, including optics for, I assume, the gunner or the remote weapon station, as well as all of the oil windows for the road wheels. Small set of photo etch. And 4 sprues of link track. You do get a small guide for assembling the track. This looks like it'd be very time consuming, but I didn't notice any unnecessary ejector pin markings on places where you wouldn't want to have them. So at least cleanup will be minimal. You do get a 3D printed muzzle brake for the main gun, and this piece looks extremely nice. I'll show a close-up picture later on in the video. You also get 3D printed ammunition belt for the 20mm autocannon, and I'm not quite sure what these parts are, but they are 3D printed, and they come in this nice little protective cover. So taking a quick look through the instructions, if you've built any armor kits, this will pretty much build up just like any other armor kit. You start with the lower hull, road wheels, tracks, move your way up, upper hull, turret, and pretty straightforward. Not a lot of oomph with this kit in terms of just like options and accessories and stuff, but again, as far as I know, this is still like conceptual prototype, so obviously you can dress it out how you would like. But at least from a from my perspective, looking at the box, it looks like a really nice kit, really clean, really crisp details. So I've never built an Amusing Hobby kit before, so I can't comment on how others go together. But at least from what I can see here, it looks really nice. And if you're a fan of the Abrams or just a fan of armor kits in general, this might be one you want to take a look at. And if you're interested, mrshobby.com has this kit and many others on sale, so go ahead and check them out, and we'll see you on the next review. Cheers.